Geography is destiny. What we know best is learned helplessness. Or if you take it a step further, you shouldn't even trust your own father. This, again, is one of our learned helplessnesses and in fact one of our societal trances. We learn these things and they continue with us. However, we don't question this. If you are faced with learned helplessness and don't know how to overcome it, then you definitely need coaching support. I can explain this to you with an example. We have a study called the glass ceiling syndrome. The glass ceiling syndrome, which we use among coaching tools, is actually an experiment. They put fleas into a glass jar 30 centimeters high and heat the bottom. Since the fleas are disturbed by the heat, after a while they can't stand it and jump out of the glass jar. They repeat the same experiment. This time they place a glass ceiling on top of the jar with the fleas inside. They heat it again, and the fleas, uncomfortable and overwhelmed by the heat inside the 30-centimeter glass jar, start to jump. But since the top is covered, they keep hitting the glass ceiling and falling back down. After 21 days, they learn to jump 30 centimeters without hitting the glass ceiling. After a while, they remove the glass ceiling, heat the jar again, and observe what the glass fleas will do. After that heating, since the glass ceiling has actually been removed, the fleas could easily escape, but because they believe they can't, they jump 30 centimeters, thinking they'll hit their heads on the glass ceiling and fall back down, so they jump 30 centimeters and fall back down. If they wanted to, they could escape. So why don't they escape? Because they've learned helplessness. We too become prisoners of the helplessness we've learned in our lives, and it starts to control us. This prevents us from taking action or moving forward.